In critical infrastructure, downtime isn't an option, it's a threat. Whether it's 400 kilovolt substations, national rail networks, or the water supply for 15 million people, the systems behind them must be absolute. That is why Brodersen does what giants cannot. We don't outsource the core, we control the entire chain. Hardware, firmware, software, developed in-house from A to C. This vertical integration allows us to deliver performance and stability that fragmented solutions simply cannot match. In an age of digital warfare, security is our license to operate. We don't just meet standards, we live them. We are fully certified in IEC61850 and 4-2. While others struggle to retrofit security, ours is native. But control means nothing without visibility. Enter Odin's Eye, a unified platform managing fleets of 12,000 units or more. Forget a man in a van for field updates. With Odin's Eye, you monitor, diagnose, and patch your entire infrastructure remotely. One click, total fleet control. From the airports of Denmark to the energy grids of the Middle East, we are the specialized force behind the world's most critical assets. We are Brodersen, the superheroes of a smarter, secure future.